Loading cargo. Batch loading or line displacement. In some ports, a special loading procedure called batch loading or line displacement is used for the cargo operations. In such a procedure, the present grade of cargo being loaded is pushed by the next grade of cargo in the shore loading pipe. This procedure is required at Jumeirah Terminal and Ras Al Khafji in Saudi Arabia. Due to the volume of the shore loading pipe, a large amount of cargo oil will retain in the loading pipe when loading cargo grade is switched to the next cargo grade. Batch loading is implemented to displace this amount of cargo oil with the next grade of cargo to prevent the mixing of different grades of cargo. The typical procedure for batch loading is as follows. 1. Quantity to be displaced is instructed by terminal representative. 2. Chief officer will calculate the target ullage of each tank to give allowance for the cargo that is to be loaded by line displacement, so as not to exceed 98% of tank level. 3. When this target ullage is reached, stop the loading operation temporarily and reconfirm the loaded quantity in the tanks. 4. Loading operation will resume. This time, the terminal will push the remaining cargo in the lines with the next cargo grade that is to be loaded. 5. Loading of the current cargo grade will be completed when the line is fully displaced. It is impossible to amend the quantity once loading is resumed. This is because the volume of the pipeline is fixed, and any shortage or excess of displaced quantity will cause a contamination of cargo grade. Therefore, it is essential to implement careful calculation of target ullage for balanced quantity, and to slow down the loading rate properly before stopping temporarily for the calculation of the balanced quantity. Sometimes a slight overshoot will occur during the temporary stop due to miscommunication with the terminal representative. For reference, pipeline volume in each berth at Jumeirah Terminal, Saudi Arabia is as follows.